Hi everyone, this is Sam Gray in the Heart, and I'm back with a big clearance haul from Hobby Lobby. Now, I just went today. Today's Thursday, January 24th, 2019. So I went after work after I dropped my daughter off at dance, and because I saw a video that they were doing a big clearance. Now, I feel like they're still working on it because there were lots of aisles that didn't have any red stickers at all, and then so it seems to me like they might still be working on it. So I might check back to see if there's anything else. But I was selective. I know it doesn't look like it of what I wanted. Now they had some Tim Holtz. Let's see, what did they have? Tim Holtz Distress Spray, and I forget what else, but oh, I know, Distress Oxides. Now, the Distress Oxides that they have are ones that I already have, so I didn't get those. And the Distress sprays, I don't know if I'm going to use those very much. I'm really interested in Distress Oxide sprays. I don't know. So I opted not to get those because I think I'd prefer just to pick the colors that I really want to use because, you know. Anyway, I do really like these paints. These are distress paints, and they're acrylic paint. And I do like using these like on chipboard and those sorts of things. And they've got a dauber, so I do enjoy those. And they're only 99 cents, normally $3.99. So I got the black suit. I just got the colors I really thought I would use. This one, which is Spun Sugar. They're really good to use on projects too because they're easy to use. This is Brushed Pewter, and these were all 99 cents. This one is Candied Apple. And then this one is Mermaid Lagoon. So I got to get those. And then I got a couple, I got these charms. And I just really like these. They were really cute. They had a couple different ones, but these ones I thought I might use. I think especially like on albums and things like that. But it's $1.24, normally $4.99. And then some other charms that I got. This one, which is 99 cents. It's a swan with gold feathers, which I thought was super cute. And you get two of those in there for 99 cents. And two of these eyelash ones. Super cute, 99 cents. They're resin charms. So those are really cute. And then the flamingos, 99 cents. Let's see. I'm going to go into these right here. They had a couple of different ones. I only got the ones I thought that I would use. These were never normally $7.99, reduced to $1.99, and they're stamps. And they actually have 2 sheets of stamps in here. So it's really good deal. You get 2 full sets of sheets of stamps. So these are more like for planning or list making. I love making lists. So anyway, you get these. I like those. So just different planning. Looks like bills and chores, that sort of thing. And then this one, well, it's for planning. You absolutely can use this for all different sorts of things. Even though it's got these numbers that you can use Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. You could do a happy or that sort of thing. But it's got some interesting sentiments if you do plan that you don't normally see in a set, like a Memorial Day stamp or Martin Luther King Jr. President's Day. So those are kind of fun. So I did get those, and they were only $1.99. And then I was super happy to find this because I actually wanted to buy this. I actually had this in my cart, and it was canceled by Amazon because they weren't going to get it for a while. And that's the Linda Canassi bow dies. And so I have no idea how these work. So I definitely, when I get a chance, I'm going to cut these out and show you guys what all these things look like. It's just really hard right now because I'm getting ready for a dance competition for my daughter. So $3.24. This one is $3.24, and these panel dies usually are quite expensive. This is normally $12.99, and you could do confetti with it, but it does do the butterflies. And then I got this one, Cute Christmas. I did look at the back to see what kind of cutting we could do, and this cuts pretty easily. So we'll take a look and see on that one. Let's see what else. I also got this other one that's cute Christmas, the snowman. Now, I am not a fan of these little teeny tiny pieces for the mouth and the eyes. However, I believe I have an old Peachy Keen stamp set that does snowman faces. So when I cut this out, I'm going to look and see if I have that and see what I can do. Because I do like the size of it. It's kind of a nice size. So, and it looks fairly easy to cut. So we'll take a look and see on that one. And that one was $2.99. And then this makes a Santa, $3.74. It's a Spellbinders die. It makes a very cute Santa, actually. And then this makes a reindeer. Very, very cute. We'll see how that goes. I hope I didn't buy any ones that look like those from Allie, because I'll be bummed. And then I wanted to show you all the glimmer stuff together. This one right here, it does a hello. So you could like snip the hello out if you just wanted to use that hello part. Or you want to snip it out and just use the frame. So it does like this kind of leafy frame, which I like. I think it's really pretty in gold. So I also got this, these little boxes that can be altered, and for 74 cents, I thought, why not? So I got those. And then the Glimmer Hot Foil. So one of the things I'm hopefully planning on doing, I know I'm planning on doing it, but doing it soon, is doing a review of the Glimmer Hot Foil system from Spellbinders, because I did buy it and I got a great deal. So I'm going to share that with you, hopefully in a later video. And I'm also awaiting some dies that I got that are not Spellbinders, but work with hot foils, so that I can review those for you guys as well. And apparently, I've been watching videos on it, that the foils that you use in the laminator, you can't use for this, is what it says. But I don't know if that's true or not. I might try and test it out. Hopefully I won't break it doing that, but I might try to test it and see if it actually works with my foil that I use for my mink. We'll see. But this was $3.74, normally $14.99. So even with a coupon, I could not get to $3.74. So you get gold, silver, green, and red. And I got 2 of them. And so I figure like red, gold, and silver are like year-round colors. The green, you know, maybe not. It's pretty green. So I was super excited to get all of the dies that they had on clearance. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about this one. This is the snowman head, $3.74. But I was super happy to get these. Such a good deal. I mean, they're all holiday ones for the most part, but you know, I'm excited to get them because I don't want to pay $7.99. So $1.99 for the Hot Glimmer Foil Happy Holidays. The Merry and Bright is $2.49, normally $9.99, so that's cool. This one is Merry Christmas with a holly there. That's beautiful, $2.49. This one says Believe, and that one is $1.99. And then this one right here is $3.74, normally $14.99, and you get this wreath. So I got those. I mean, for the cost of this one die, I was able to get all of these dies to use in my Glimmer machine. At least I have more things to show you guys. So anyway, that is my haul. I do feel like they're probably still working on it. I didn't see any ribbon. I didn't see any pens. I mean, I didn't see any paper. I didn't really see any stickers other than planning stickers. So they might still be labeling things, you know, still. So anyway, if you have a Hobby Lobby next to you and you are interested in getting 75% off, then you should head over there, because that's pretty much what this stuff is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.